Hi there. So today I'll be unboxing this monitor. Pretty heavy. So here are the specifications. Right here. Yeah. And now let me open this. Okay. Pretty good packaging.
1 hour later.
So this is the box. As you can see, it's Nitro VGO series. Blah 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 blah. It's the Acer gaming monitor. It shows that it has a webcam, but this is the one where it does not have the webcam. So what else? It says 20,000 on the box, but I got it for 9,500. So pretty good deal. Okay, it's taped on top, so oh my god. Okay, one by one. This looks like the charging cable. Yep. There's a power cord, and this is okay. This is the adapter. What is this called? This is a VGH something. Blah 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 blah. This is an adapter. So yeah. What's this? This is the HDMI cable, I guess. Is it? No, this looks like, I don't know. Let's see. And then, oh my god, why are there so many cables? There's the HDMI cable. HDMI cable. Another HDMI cable. Bro, what? Yeah, they give me 2 HDMI cables. I don't know why, but more for me. Yeah, there's also a HDMI cable. And there's a warranty book, I guess. Let's see. Let me just do that. Okay, this looks like the audio cable. Yeah. This is the aux cable, audio cable. And we have, oh yeah, this is the warranty book. Written in every language. And it's supposed to be 3 years of warranty, so that's pretty good. Provided, I guess it's provided that I go to the Acer India store, Acer India website and register myself. I have to register the product, so if I register it, I get 3 years of warranty. It is pretty damn good. And any more wires? Oh yeah, there is! Wow! Oh no. Oh, wait. What's that? Ah, I feel something, I can't get it. Okay, let me just cut the box open. This is the base stand, which looks good. Look at that. Looks good, no? Quality is pretty good. Yep, pretty good. Like the finishing. Look at that. It's like a cut. Pretty damn good. Oh, one more cable. Wow. So many cables. Yeah, what is it? Okay, I guess this is the extension of the stand. If I'm not wrong. Okay, yeah. This is the extension of the stand. So basically it goes in like this, I guess. Yeah. It fits in like this and I just have to screw it in. I think I'm strong enough to screw it in, so who needs a screwdriver, right? Oh, okay, I think I need a screwdriver. Yeah, I'm good. Okay. Pretty sturdy. Cool. So this is the base. Now comes the monitor. That thing really tear it. Oh wow. Looks beautiful. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh, it smells so good. I love the new smell in anything, to be honest. Okay. Okay. I think I'm just looking for Yo, boom! Wait! I got the wrong model. I got the better model. I got the one with the webcam, man. And I just bought a webcam 2 days ago. Okay, never mind. More the better. So, bro, look at the screen, man. Woo. Okay, it's heavy. Ah. Let me just, yeah, that's it. Let me just put that down. Bye. So, I was actually not supposed to get that camera, but okay, so now let me just gonna slide this in, I guess. Okay, I can't see.
A few moments later.
Need to press this and put it in. Oh, perfect. Got a click sound. So let's just go through whatever's at the back, right? So it's pretty sturdy. Okay, at the back we have the Acer logo, and then we have the shape which looks beautiful. It's actually like the shape of the stand, base stand. And then we have, let me just see, we have a USB port. It's pretty awesome. HDMI, VGA in, audio in. Those are all the things we had. All the cables we got, right? All these cables, look at that. There's so many cables. All go in. And there's the adapter port, and that's pretty much it. And then there's, bro, look at the screen, man. I think I can tilt it. Yep, I can. Looks good. Looks really good. Okay, the screen looks amazing. And it has webcam. I ordered the one without the webcam and I got the one with webcam, which is pretty insane, so. Okay, so there it is. I've connected my laptop to the monitor using a HDMI cable which I got. And I haven't switched it on now. Wanted to switch it on with you guys, so here we go. There's a button at the back over here, which switches it on. So, oh yeah, there we go. Ooh, looks good till now. HDMI. Yeah, it's scanned for HDMI. And voila, it's beautiful, bro. No ways. Look at that. Look at that. Display. Okay, so I found a few functions which might be useful for you guys. So here they are. So look at this. There are different modes which I can access. Apparently, there's standard. There's the standard mode and this eco mode. This graphics mode. There's movie mode. There's, I guess I can select a user. There's user mode. There's G3 Sports, G2 Sports, G1 Action. So, oh wait, these are gaming modes basically. So here's action gaming. Then there's racing, there's sports. I think I'll just leave it as standard for now. Can increase the brightness. Kept it at 100. So let me see how good the brightness is. Okay, if I go down, it looks beautiful, to be honest. In the camera, I'm not able to say, but ooh, looks beautiful. Okay, so that was brightness. Then there's input option. There's HDMI. There's I didn't select it. Okay, so there's HDMI. There's VGA, DP, HDMI. So there's picture and you can change the brightness. There's contrast, black boost. So it shows more of black, you know. Like blacks are more prominent. So it was at 5, so I'm just going to leave it at 5. There's blue light. Okay. So blue light is basically, you know, it's used to protect your eyes. The more the blue light, the better it is. ACM, I have no idea what that is. Super sharpness. Wait. Nah. See, if you put super sharpness, you know, the clarity actually is worse. Everything becomes sharp. Like, it's good for gaming, but then it's not good for viewing movies and all that. So I'm just going to leave it like that, because I like to enjoy the games. There's audio. Oh, by the way, there's speakers in this apparently. So I'm going to test that out as well. There's gaming, there's overdrive. Okay. There's extreme gaming off. Okay. I'm going to check what that is. FreeSync on. VRB. Aim point. Ooh, what? Okay, this looks nice, so let's just see what that is. Language. Transparency. Oh. Okay. Refresh rate? Did it show that? Where does it come up? Okay, I'll just keep it on and see where it comes. OSD lock. Input HDMI or wide mode. Full, okay. Hotkey assignment. Nah, not now. Black level, quick start mode. Yep. Yeah, this is good. So wait, what? Okay, have a look at that. It's 75 Hz, so it's showing 75, and I have no idea why this is there. So it's just there. What? Okay. Okay, so that's all for the settings and all that. And another thing I liked about the webcam is that there is a slider, as you can see over here. So if I slide that, it's going to switch the webcam off. So if I slide it again, it's going to switch it on. So basically it's like a slider which just goes through and there's a black screen. The webcam is still working, but then there's a black screen which just literally switches it off. Which is an amazing
Sorry.
So here's how the audio is.
Everyone knows introvert.
It's pretty
can't
good.
talk and cannot
There's
communicate.
like one speaker at the
What are they
back.
saying here? That's
So-
so weird. I wonder how people react to that.
Yeah,
Do
for
you
one
really
speaker,
don't
it's
stereotype
pretty
introvert?
good.
Also, you believe silent.
Like you can be in a
bro.
silent background, like I'm in my room right now, so it's
Fun
perfect.
fact, did you know
No
introverts
noise coming
can
from
actually talk
outside.
normally? Lights. Okay, let's watch.
Sounds pretty loud.
What is he doing? He's making me uncomfortable.
Pretty good. And it's
Who's
on
he
max
staring
volume
at?
right now, so pretty good.